Hi, welcome to my channel. After a couple of windy and rainy nights and days, I finally got quiet. The wind has settled down and the sun is up. Well, the sun is actually going down. So I'm at Getterön, the bird sanctuary, and let's see what we can find there today. Join me. You never know what will show up here on the shoreline, right outside the photo blind. Last time there was a bearded tit, and this time it's a lapwing. Looks like he's looking for food. So things happen quite fast right now. The swallows in the photo hide was gone, so they have flown out. And also you can see less chicks on the beach, on the black-headed gulls. So they are also on the wings. I'll do a pop over to the big hide and see if we can see anything before the sun sets for this night. So let's go. Well, one thing that's getting more and more are the mosquitoes. Yep, mosquito time. So this will wrap up this evening's shoot here at Getterön. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. There are more videos coming, of course. And write a comment. I would appreciate that. If you have a comment about this video, fine. If you have a comment on how I can improve my videos, that's also fine. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. So this evening wasn't maybe the most productive photo-wise, but look at that sky, man. It's 10:30 in the evening and the sky is just magnificent.